Hey everyone, CPO here, and this is going to be a really short video just putting brand stickers on my brakes on the 2024 Kia EV6 GT. Now, I didn't realize I was going to be one of those people that didn't like unbranded performance brakes, but I guess I am because I went and bought stickers for these Akebono brakes, which come factory on the EV6 GT. And for some reason, they are unbranded. And a lot of people are trying to make guesses as to what types of brakes they are. Some people are saying Brembo, but the reality of it is they're Akebono, a Japanese brake manufacturer. Akebono is probably not as familiar to people, maybe because they don't put stickers on their brakes. I don't know. They are an OEM provider for a lot of brands, not even just the typical brands that you would think like Toyota, Nissan, Kia, but they also do like Porsche and Audi, and Mercedes has got them. Even American brands like GM, they have partnered with McLaren and the Formula One team. So it's a respectable brake brand. And so I thought, yeah, let's put some stickers on there to show everyone that these are Akebono brakes that came on my car. The way I got these is I went to Amazon. I'll put a link down in the video description. That is an affiliate link, so while it doesn't cost you anything more, it does help support me if you use my link, if you decide you want to follow this same process. But in this video, I'm just going to quickly put these stickers on. So while the brakes are already clean, I am using a product that I just happen to have on hand to degrease the surface. It's designed as a prep product for applying paint protection film, for example. It doesn't really matter what you use or even if you use it, just make sure that the surface is clean. So you can see here that there are a large size for the front brakes and then a smaller size sticker for the rear brakes. What I like to do is just kind of get a good idea of where I want to put them. I just eyeballed this. You can get as detailed and picky as you want on the placement, but your eye's pretty good at finding a relative center point. I'm using the two piston circles there as sort of the centering point, and then centering it left and right. Another note is brake labels always face into the wheel, so you want them pointing in the right direction. Once I have a good idea of where I think I want it, my tip is to tear off just a little bit of the backing so that you can still have most of it with the white backing. It's much easier to find an alignment that way. Once you've got it where you want to place it, you can just stick down that one little section that you've already peeled away, and that will hold it in place. Then you can remove the rest of the backing and then gently and carefully push the entire decal into position. After that, I'm using a soft squeegee. You can use a credit card or something like that to smooth this down and make sure that it's stuck fully down to the brake caliper itself. And then after that, you can remove the top clear film, and then you are good to go. That is it. That is job done right there. So that's the front brake. Like I said, you can spend as much time aligning this as you want. I just eyeballed it. Like, look, nobody's going to notice if it's a couple millimeters off one way or the other, but you do you. And then, yeah, you can put your tire back on. By the way, I am doing another video coming up soon, which you will see on these wheels and tires. That's what I'm swapping out from the factory set. So more to come on that, but I just want to do a separate video on these stickers for those of you who are interested in doing that and don't really care about wheels and tires in general. So same exact process on the back. It's just a smaller brake caliper and a smaller sticker, which actually, quite frankly, makes it easier to align by eye, I think anyway. And once you have gone through that same process, tire goes back on and we are done. So there you go. This is a look at the Akebono stickers on the Akebono brakes on the 24 Kia EV6 GT. I just think it adds that little extra touch. You can put a GT sticker on it. I've seen that as well, and that's not too bad. But Akebono is the correct branding for this particular brake. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.